Man throws a pair of 8 dice until he get doublet for the first time. The probability of getting some 10 in the last throw, some 10 in the last throw until he get the doublet. What is the meaning of doublet? Doublet means getting 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, and 6 6. That is getting doublet. Next, sum 10. Sum 10 means 4 6, 6 4, and 5 5. The double. This is sum 10. Now you can take the describe the events. Event that sum 10 and doublet. Doublet occurs. Event that sum 10 doublet occur on throw of pair of dice. Pair of dice. So probability of A is sum 10 and doublet. Sum 10 doublet only one. That is 1 by 36. So 5 comma 5. So B is event that getting neither doublet nor sum 10 occurs. So that means what is the probability here? So in this case, probability of B equal to 1 minus, so probability of sum 10 or doublet. Probability of sum 10 or doublet occurs. So that is equal to probability of B equal to 1 minus probability of sum 10 probability of sum 10 probability of doublet sum 10 and doublet will occur. That means 1 minus sum 10 is so 3 by 36 plus doublet 6 by 36 minus both 1 by 36. So this will give LCM 36. So 36 minus 8. 36 minus 8 is 28 by 36. That is 7 by 9. So probability of B is 7 by 9. Got it. So what they are asking probability of, what they are asking probability of getting sum in the last throw. Probability of getting sum in last throw. So this will happen in the first or second or third, like that comes on here. So probability of first throw you may get 10. So second throw means first he didn't get the sum 10, that is neither sum 10 nor doublet. P of A and P of B and P of A. Next, first two tosses he may not get what doublet or sum 10. Next, sum, sorry, here means sum 10 in last, that is so P of A, and so on, it is infinite. So P of A into 1 plus P of B plus P of B whole square plus P of B whole cube, and so on. This infinite probability. So because then work is not ending, because he may get last chance means either first chance or second time last. Third time means he may get third time, like that. So this is 1 plus P of B, P of B square, and so on. Infinite. This is infinite GP. Infinite GP. So for this case, what to do means infinite GP have formula A by 1 minus R. A is the first term, R is the P of B. That means P of A into 1 by 1 minus P of B. So the answer is P of A by 1 minus P of B. So P of A, what do you get here? 1 by 36 by 1 minus P of B. P of B, what do you get there? P of B 7 by 9. So means 1 by 36 by 2 by 7, 2 by 9. So that means 1 by 36 into, so 9 by 2. 9 ones, 9 fours. The answer is 1 by 8. The required probability is 1 by 8 only answer here. So that is a required answer.